Now, here's the secret most traders don't know. You can start trading Forex even if you are broke. In fact, you need only two things: trading skill and a trading account. I'll show you how to actually get that so that you understand what you need to do to start trading even if you are broke. You do not have money, $0, nothing. You do not need to deposit money, and there is no catch. This is the full strategy to go from broke beginner to making real profit. So the first step is we need to have the trading account and trading skill. So we have to have trading skill, and make sure that what you have to do, go to our YouTube channel, Bozza the Trader. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you've subscribed, you click here, right? Once you click here, you scroll all the way down and then you see free WhatsApp group. You join our WhatsApp group, then you click get funding. You click get funding. Based on my personal experience, I started without just depositing money, but that broker is no longer offering that promotion anymore. So they were offering us $30 to start trading Forex, which is around 500 Rand, which is around 25 pound, and around 24, somewhere 24, 26 euros, right? So I started using that amount of money. I have made profit, but there are rules that you need to follow. You can't withdraw the money. You can only withdraw the profit. So now, the get funding, you will get into a competition. So once you click that link, let's click that link again. Let's go to our YouTube channel. All right. Once we go to our YouTube channel, we click that link. We scroll all the way down because we'll do this together. We click here. Now, this is the reality, right? I want you to understand this is the reality. You can use this amount of money and it will assist you. So what you do here, it's simple and easy. You click start challenge, right? In fact, you just go back and say click free trial, right? You click free trial here. Once you click free trial, you will enter your email address. You choose your account that you would like to have. Let's, in this case, we want to have 100,000. This will give you a demo account to actually use to practice. However, you will also join a competition account. So you click cancel here. You see the steps that I took. I clicked free trial, and this is what we got here. And then we click here. You see, payable amount is 00. We don't pay anything. We don't deposit anything. And this is just the reality. So we enter our email address here. So let's go to our email address and make sure that we enter the correct email address. Make sure that you do not use my email because you guys are doing things that I'm surprised. All right, I've managed to confirm my email address. Let's add it here. Let's add my email address. Add your email address here. Then I click next. Please do not use my email address, guys. Do not use my information. This is just for you to learn. And you must be 18 and above to actually be doing this. So you enter your two names here. If you have two names, if you have one name, you just put one name. This, you put your same name here. Gender, you choose the gender. Because I know some of you will be doing things that I didn't actually instructed you. Date of birth, date of birth. You click here. And then you choose the date of birth when you were born. That's it. You need to be 18 and above. Don't do things that I did not say to. Then you choose and all that country. You choose the country here. It's that simple. But you guys will be doing things that I did not actually instructed you, right? Then you choose the city here and then say city here. And you add your number here. This is just demo number. Don't call that number. I know some of you will be doing things. Make sure that the password here, let me say demo hash 2025. I'll be changing this because you guys are doing things like after I'm done here, I'll be changing this or probably deleting their account, because if I'm doing tutorials, I'm giving you information, you do your things, and then you start trying to use my emails, guys. Man, guys, please. Once you click next. Once you've added everything, you click next. You confirm if everything is corresponding, then you click next. Once you click next, what's happening here? You must be able to click next. Let's see the password here. If it's matching, it's not matching here. You see the mistake, the password was not matching, so we managed to fix that. check here, and then we click next. It's that simple. But some of you will be doing things. So you check your email address, they'll send you a OTP code. You only have 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 2 minutes, somewhere there. Then they'll send a verification code. You open the email and you will see it here. You see it's 53, 73, 57. 53, 73, 57. Let's go back and confirm that. It's better to make sure that you confirm 53, 73, 57. 53, 73, 57. That's correct. And then we click next. You have 2 minutes, and then now you click start challenge. You stick start challenge. They'll give you a free trial. This free trial is not the one that you're looking for. And then you say no, remind me later. You say remind me later, and then you participate here. You click participate. How did you hear about us? You choose, you heard from me, which is TikTok if you're watching on TikTok. If you're watching on TikTok, YouTube, you say YouTube, and then you click next. Now, this is just an assessment. And do you read the rules before trading? Yes, I read carefully. If you have to read the rules, click next. Now, which aspect of FundedNet convinced you to sign up and continue to using our services? Trust and repetition. You choose here, and you scroll way down, you check, nothing fits your criteria, you click next. Simple. That is all right. If FundedNet account fails, what are you most likely to do next? Buy another, switch to another firm, pause trading for a while, quit trading, try a free competition first. Try free competition first. All right, because we want to try competition first. This is a funded account, a prop firm that offers funding, right? What would you make you leave FundedNet and choose another prop firm? Trading rules that limits my strategy. Yes, we can choose this one. Slow and inconsistent payout, and these are just based on experience, but you just can choose that. Click next. This is just simple and straightforward. Which prop firm, trading firm have you previously traded with? There is nothing. You say none. Click next. That's it. Now, which social media platform do you use the most? You choose if you're using TikTok or you're using YouTube, and then you click next. Simple. So this is just assessment tool, and here you don't just add anything. You can add you just like that. It's simple. It doesn't matter. Once you have done, would you be open to sharing your FundedNet experience? If you reach out to you, you can choose yes or no, and that's it. But for me, I prefer no. So then click submit. It's simple. Then you go to dashboard, right? Now you have the trading account here. This is the free demo account that you can use for trial. Now here's the most important part. You scroll all the way up. You click here. Once you click here, you click on competition. You click competition, and some of you, we have a September competition that you can join, and click enroll here. And once you click enroll, you get your login ID, the account is done. They'll actually send it on your email. You'll be able to see it. Now you scroll all the way down, you see the August competition here. You click enroll. It's that simple. So now this is the competition that you will join. You click done. There is this one that we have here for July. It's already in progress. We cannot join it. It will be ending in 2 days. Now we had the one of June here. You can see we can look for the winners. You can see the winners, those one who managed to win the accounts, because once you have actually completed or you're on the first place, you will be winning the account. So you cancel here. Scroll all the way down, and let's check for the one of May. If you're living in South Africa, you're living in different countries, these are the ones which actually managed to win. Canada, George here managed to win a $1,000 cash in a Stellar Light account. Scroll way up, cancel here. You scroll all the way down to let's check for the one of June. We checked the one of June. We checked the one of June. Let's check the one of May, April. All right, you scroll all the way down, you can see this is South African, managed to win $2,000 cash plus a Stellar Light account. All right, let's explain the accounts. Some of you do not know the account that I'm talking about. Now that you have enrolled, you can look for your details here. And once you have your details, you can look for your details here. And let's actually look for the one of August. Click here. All right, let's go to, these are the rules that you need to follow. You'll go through that. Let's go to our main account here. I want us to look at the accounts, right? This is the free trial account. We may now log in using it, and then we have this. You are given a demo account to experience the dashboard. All right, so let's actually look at this one connected to MetaTrader 5. We have the login ID. We have the login ID. All right, we have the login ID, which is 100K. This is free trial. We can copy here details, and then we have the master password. We can view it, and then we can actually log in there at the site. So let's go to our MetaTrader 5. This is our MetaTrader 5. We click here, right, and we click manage account. We click plus here, then we click funded account. We search funded account here, funded next. We say funded next. All right, just like that. We click this one, and we click the server. We have to check the server. We go to our browser, Chrome. We check here the server. Here you can see it's server 4, and we click here. We change the server here first so that we do not have that thing of authorization fail. We paste our login ID here, and we go back. Now we copy that password. Please do it like this. Then I'll view my password, because some of you, okay, no, it's fine. I view and I'll reset. It's fine, because some of you will be doing things. All right, now the master password is sent on the email address. So let's go ahead and check it on the email address. All right, this is a free trial. All right, here's the password. I'll be resetting this password, as some of you will be doing things, I know. All right, let's copy this password. All right, let's actually go to here and paste it here, just like that.